guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. What's up? Just got the new, hold on, let me go bring it for you guys. The new Wet n Wild Rebel Wilson. Why? No, Rebel Rose collection. I was so excited when Wet n Wild reached out and was like, hey girl, we want to send you some stuff. We want you to try some stuff out. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of Wet n Wild. I've always been since I was like a kid trying to buy dark chocolate lip liner, which was really eyeliner, because I wanted to have the Chola lip, and Wet n Wild was my go-to brown eyeliner for my Chola lip. That's how long me and Wet n Wild have been friends. With some skin prep stuff, they came out with a rose toner. And then they came out with a multi-use rose oil. So they're like, I mean, look at this packaging. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Look at that. Like, hello. And then they also have, oh my gosh, this has like freaking real roses in it. Is that not beautiful? Like, creative. And I love that they didn't like copy another brand, because you know, Versali, which my unicorn essence is my favorite, Versali has a rose gold oil, and they just like have the same concept, but instead of gold flecks in it, they have real rose petals in it. Like, packaging is on fleeky. Like, I mean, come on now. Also have a rose primer serum, which is really, really nice. Okay, so basically you just spray it. Ooh, it has a very strong floral smell to it. It smells, ooh, if you're Bengali, you know what I mean, or if you're Desi, it smells like ator. It smells like that smell that's in the mosque. It's very rosy, fragrant, super fragrant. It almost smells like, does it say it's fragrance free? It has Rosa Damascena, I don't even know if I pronounced that right, extract in it. It feels good. It does feel hydrating on my skin, and it feels really, really good. I like that it comes in a spray bottle because it's easy and quick, and whenever I'm doing my makeup, I like to do easy, quick stuff because, you know, I focus most of my time on my eyeshadow, so like, let's be real. Okay, after I've done that, I'm going to go in with the oil. I guess you're supposed to put oil on before serum, and we're just going to go in with this oil. I wish they had like more descriptions on the outside, or like some type of like info, because I have to look it up online. So I'm just going, and I'm just going to do that. And I will use my hand to mix it in. Okay, yeah, it's very fragranty. Oh yeah, it's like strong rose smell. Fragrance, not bad, really good. That feels really good. And I'm like really intrigued by this because, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it does look a lot like that. But they made it unique to themselves. They repackaged it. They made it into rose, and I'm like here for it. So it's a primer solution, and you guys already know that I have and then I'm just gonna use a stippling brush, and I'm gonna spread it. Ooh, it spreads nice. Kind of has like a cool, nice moisturized feeling to it. Not bad. A little bit of skin prep. Okay, I hope this is up close and personal for you guys, because I know you guys really want to see the makeup. A $3.99 pout scrub, and I love a good lip scrub. There you go. And I'm going to use that on my lips. Ooh, I like the consistency of this. Okay. This is the limited edition, unfortunately. So, maybe they'll like it. Oh, it's nice and gritty. Wow, that worked really nice. My lips are nice and freaking soft now. Woo! That was pretty good, you guys. Pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with their eyeshadow palettes. These eyeshadow palettes that they have, this one is in the color House of Thrones. So this is the color that this is the palette I'm going to use because I really love that color combination. And then they also have a Secret Garden, which is also really, really pretty. I love that blue right there. And then they also have Bed of Roses. This is definitely something I would recommend for somebody who really likes neutral, but then they want to like change it up with a little bit of a rosy tone. The Bed of Roses is definitely for you. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with my favorite multi-use Born This Way concealer. I really like to use this concealer just to highlight everything. I mean, like just to conceal. And it also helps the eyeshadow appear much more pigmented right here, which is this burgundy color. And I'm basically gonna go ahead and take that on a Morphe 441 brush. So right now the color pick off, as pigmented as that is, this is, I mean, I was expecting a little bit more color, but I do see myself having to like really dig in there to get the color out. It's definitely pigmented. It's not like super pigmented, but it's not bad either. The blendability is really nice. I'm using a much more fluffier brush today. It's like a dome brush because I know I want to do like no cut creasing, and I'm not going to use that many colors. I'm definitely going to just use 4 colors. It's usually when I have to use a lot of colors is when I use a different brush. So you could just continue to smoke this out. I do wish, you know, it is a quad, so you gotta be very creative with how much you blend and what you do. So since I don't have really a transition color to blend with, I'm not gonna keep going into the palette to get more color. I'm gonna use as much color as I can from one shadow. So I'm definitely gonna just do a lot of blending and making the color spread as far as it can to get a nice gradient effect. This is actually really pretty. At first, I was like, oh my gosh, this is hard to pick up. But once you get it onto your eyes, it looks really nice. I have hooded eyes, you guys, so definitely I tend to take my eyeshadow up a much higher. But when the whole look is done, it actually looks really, really nice. Right now, it might look a little crazy, like, dang, that's really high up there, but it actually looks nice later on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC 221 brush, and I'm gonna use this black color right here. I'm hoping that it's somewhat pigmented. Oh yeah, it is way more pigmented than the burgundy. They're like, we better make this black right, you guys, or no one's gonna like it. So I'm just gonna deepen up my crease area a little bit. I don't know, I really like adding black onto the corners. It reminds me of early 2000s vibes when everybody used to do that, and then it was like, go in a V motion, and when you went to the MAC counter, they taught you how to do the whole V motion. And then I'm just going back in with that brush that had the burgundy shade on it, and I'm just blending out that color. I just want the black to look nice and, you know, smoky. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe R41 brush. It's basically a flat blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and wet my brush with like a setting spray. Just so, you know, there's not too much fallout. And then I'm just going to apply that on to the crease. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. I'm pretty sure this color is like stunning as well. Let's go ahead and swatch that color onto my hand. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, such a pretty color, right? But we're gonna go with green because I have been wanting to put some green on. So with this color, I wouldn't drag too much. I would just pack the color on. So packing means you just like, you're basically patting the color on to basically kind of just, you know. Okay, so that's not blending really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush like this. This is the R41, and I'm gonna go back into this color, into the burgundy, and I'm just gonna blend that out itself. Sometimes you gotta go in with a smaller brush just so things don't get like super messy. Okay, so it's definitely, this green is not super blendable, so you have to definitely work with it a lot. It looks so nice. Now I'm gonna go back in with the black color, and I'm just gonna kind of blend in this area right here, pack it on so it looks really nice and seamless and there's no fuss. about anything. Look at that. That looks so pretty. The blending is just impeccable. So is this Wet n Wild palette like collection brown girl friendly? Heck yeah. Go ahead and take a completely clean blending brush. Like there's nothing on this. This is a MAC 224, and I'm just basically gonna focus on the inner corners, and I'm gonna blow out that stuff because you can see it sometimes gets a little harsh. So I'm just gonna take this clean brush and just blow out the corners just to soften it a bit. Usually use like that many brushes, you guys, to do one eye look. So I have a lot of brushes that I always have to clean. Like look, I got this whole bag of brushes that I need to clean. So I do collect my brushes. I have a lot of brushes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off this look by adding some color to the under eye. I'm just gonna take a burgundy shade right here, and I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna smoke out my under eyes, because why not? I'm gonna mostly focus the burgundy color on the under eyes. Just no black on the under eyes, because I don't want it to overpower my eyes, because it's already kind of overpowering. Ooh, so freaking pretty. So I have my highlighter on. It's looking a little beat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lipstick color. The Rose collection comes with these 4 lipstick colors. These are really nice, and I think these are the High Shine lipsticks. So this is a High Shine one. This is a matte one. This is a matte one also, and this is the High Shine one. So there's 2 High Shines and there's matte. So this is a very, very dark eyeshadow look. So I'm not gonna go in and use like a matte dark color, even though I mean I can, but I'm not going to. So I'm just gonna go in with this color, Petal Poison. And I'm gonna just use this. Okay. It's like a gloss, but then it's not a gloss. It's like actual lipstick. I need a lip liner, so I'm just gonna use my Mented lip liner. In honor of Wet n Wild, my Chola lips that I used to do. Literally when I was a kid, this is the lip I would do in middle school. That's it. Go out just like that. And that's what I did. And then I would wipe it off before my mom saw it, because she would probably lose her fucking marbles, because I wasn't allowed to wear makeup. Oh my gosh, and this lip looks so good with this look, with this makeup look. This is the finished look. Let's talk about some of the products. So obviously all of the facial products I loved. I think my favorite is the serum, the Rose serum. I love this serum. And then this oil is really good, but use very little. I felt like it was a little oily for me, so just use a very little. I have dry skin, so that tells you how little you should be using. Just maybe 1 drop, 2 drops is good. I like started to do the drop all over my face thing, which was not very smart. This toner is great. It's great to use before you apply anything onto your face. It gives like a really nice hydrated feel. So I really like this. I really liked the whole freaking collection, the skincare collection. I mean, I think that was amazing. I didn't have any crazy effects or anything. The only thing that I would say negative about the skincare collection is it does have high amounts of fragrance in it. I don't know if it's just the rose extract or what it is, or if they added any fragrance. So if you do have any allergic reactions to anything, just be like, look at the ingredients before you try it on, because you know you don't want to get an allergic reaction. If you've tried this collection, do comment down below and let me know. If you have, then you know it's fun to check things out together. So I also use the lip scrub, and I thought this lip scrub was fire. It's really nice. It's really pretty. I would definitely use this again. It's a shame that it's a limited edition. It's only $2.99, so I hope they make it more than just limited edition. This is really nice. I really loved it. It took off all of my dry skin. It made my lips nice and, you know, sultry, as you can see. I also use their lip gloss, which is really nice too. I use the High Shine lip gloss in this Petal Rose. I love this color. If you're a darker brown girl skin tone like me, I did need to use a lip liner, so I went in over with a darker lip liner, and then I put this in the middle, and it looks really good. I mean, $4.99 for this gloss, worth it. It's juicy and it looks nice, and I like the color. It really complements my brown skin tone. Really nice. Then it also does come in with these 3 colors, but I haven't tried these 3 colors. Follow me on Instagram at glambyruna. I will try these 3 colors on my Instagram stories. Item that I want to talk about is the eyeshadow palette. I use this eyeshadow palette right here, and this is House of Thorns, and oh my gosh, you guys, you can just tell by just how my eyes look. This is such a pretty palette. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little first impression, chit chat, get ready with me type thing, trying out the new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. And you can shop everything. They're all shoppable links down below. Get you some. I would rather shop online for them, especially the eyeshadow palettes, because I know that local stores always get sold out really, really fast. Any local stores, so shop online for them, and the links are down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I love you so much. Bye!
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, said we wouldn't be